Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are going to show you how to replace the front fog light bulbs in a 2010 Honda Pilot. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to take this fog light trim cover off. We're going to use a trim tool. We actually sell these at 1aauto.com in a kit. So what we'll do is there's two little areas right here and right here. Go underneath there with your fingers near the lens. You can pull it out. It comes right out. There's all these clips that are around. We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to take these two screws out. Right here. Get those two screws out. You can grab the fog light on this side and pull it straight out. There's the connector on the back. And push down on the connector and pull it out. To replace the fog light bulb, I'm going to take it and turn to the left, pull it out. There's the bulb. This is a H11 bulb. You want to make sure when you're replacing it, you do not touch the glass part. You don't want to get the oils from your hands on it. That will cause the bulb to burn out faster. So to reinstall, we're going to line this wider tab up with this slot right there. Get it in, and then we're going to twist it to the right. We're going to connect the connector to the fog light. Just snap it in. And you want to pay attention to these two tabs. Those are going to go in here. And make sure your screw holes are lined up. Now we're going to put the screws in right here. Before you tighten that one up completely, we'll put the other screw in. Make sure the holes line up. Now we can tighten them both down. Just snug it down. Remember, it's plastic, so don't tighten it too much. We're going to install our bezel. I'm going to line these two tabs up top first, and then lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.